Are you recovering from a knee injury and being asked to fill out a questionnaire called the Knee Injury and Osteoarthritis Outcome Score, otherwise known as the KOOS? Well, I'm here to explain to you what the KOOS is and why you should fill it out. The KOOS is an example of a patient-reported outcome measure, which are questionnaires that allow you to report your symptoms, your level of impairment, and your health-related quality of life, all from your perspective. They're typically completed before and after a surgery or treatment takes place and can provide some insight into your recovery process. The KOOS specifically is a patient-reported outcome measure specialized for people with a variety of knee conditions. It only takes 10 minutes to complete, and it asks questions about pain, symptoms, activities of daily life function, sport and recreation function, and knee-related quality of life. Completing the KOOS can provide a lot of insight into how your knee is doing. For more information about the KOOS and patient-reported outcome measures, check out my blog on the Curovate website.